Hi guys, so we're actually happy to introduce you to the latest member of the SuperK family, the SuperK CHROMATUNE. SuperK CHROMATUNE is actually a very broadband tunable light source, and it can tune between 400 to 1000 nanometers. And what we did was that the foundation is still the incredibly great SuperK technology, and we've built in a filter into the laser, so that we got rid of all the clumsy filtering and the fiber alignment and all that. So all you have is a light collimator and a collimated light output out of this fiber, and you can literally play with the GUI and just ask for whatever wavelength between 400 and 1000 nanometers that you want, and you get it. So we've eliminated all the clumsiness and all the complications when it comes to, filtering the light and fiber coupling it later, and we've done all that for you, so that it's a really simple and intuitive user interface that you get. And you just have to type in the wavelength and it gives it for you between 400 and 1000 nanometers. So that's it, SuperK CHROMATUNE.